barter back and forth with each other so they go nowhere.
He's dead. Well, we just finished sighting in this gun. It's a 22 cal Hatson PCP air gun. It's probably the best time of year for shooting starlings with a pellet gun because they're not all grouped up, so it's harder to shoot them with a shotgun, and the pellet gun is nice and quiet so they don't get spooked from the shot. We're going to be using the Hades pellets. These are the best pellets that you can still get that are pretty cheap, and they're meant to open up on impact so that you hit them a lot harder and then you get a lot more drop shots. These pellets are supposed to open up from middle out, so they're supposed to like almost double their diameter, so you're basically using a 44 caliber pellet when it hits. But they're supposed to fly like domed pellets, so they should be pretty accurate. Oh, I didn't.
We gotta pack him out.
Yeah, I think he used to be a lot smaller than we think, like smaller body.
Well, this video is probably going to turn into us just blasting starlings, pretty much just a starling kill compilation, because they're kind of all over. But we've been trying to get a doubler on starlings, but we can't seem to do it, and we're pretty sure it's because the pellets open up too much and they don't really pass through with much force. But seems to be a lot easier on sparrows because we're pretty sure it gets through sparrows a lot easier, and the second one on the sparrows always seems to get hit a lot harder, and we're pretty sure that's because the bullet's already opened up, so it hits the second one a lot harder than the first. But
Make up some BS, or like, you know, flip the story on its head, trying to make me look like the bad guy.
I think you hit both.
Good look at it here on Live Now from Fox. So that happened just a little bit ago here at that commencement speech, shaking the hands and congratulating all of those cadets earlier on today here on Live Now from Fox. John Nadack, thank you so much for joining us. We're going to slide away for a quick 2-minute break.
All right.
Ooh, smoked him. I waxed him. Oh, there you go.
He's dead.
Yep.
Alright. Oof.